And, and there you have it, guys. How you install the bulbs to the heated LEDs. Man, like I said, again, I would highly recommend if someone would pay somebody to do this professionally, or pay somebody that way you can be covered if you break a bulb. Because the bulbs are like over $110 a piece, something like that. And man, when I tell you, that spot is so tight. Like, you see that plug at that plug that's at the bottom. That plug took me a while to get in because it's so tight. And then to turn the lock on there, that little black piece that I showed you, to turn the lock on there, you have to turn it with not that much space to turn it. And you gotta go back to the other side and tighten it on, because I had to figure out how to do it from that side. You see it's sitting in there, but it's sitting in there, but it's not tight. So I gotta figure it out. Let's see. Move it around. You gotta literally do this with your hand to tighten it up. You gotta turn it. Alright, y'all, so it basically looks like this when it comes out. And that little piece, all you do is this little plug piece. Hang it out. It's like all the way in there. That little piece, you just, you know, grab the sides of it. You grab the sides of it and just slide it right down in that little ball piece. I gotta figure out how to take this off. Okay, here's the LEDs I had to get for basically 5th gen heat bulbs for it. Okay, as you can see, it match up the same way. So let's try to take this little piece off here. Slide it off, I guess. That way. Okay. Put the other piece on. Just. In there we go. Okay, so there we go. You see it in there, and like when you go get it, you gotta twist it. I believe it's to the, you gotta twist it to the, okay, it would be my right. Yeah, so I'm turned this way, so yeah, so you gotta twist it to the right, and that unloosens it. Now guys, I don't know if you see when I showed you that plug, man. You can see that plug on the end of it where I had to plug it in. It's like this piece right here. I had to plug that in. It was such a tight spot. You can see I scratched up my hands. When I tell you that is a tight spot, it's very tough. Man, it's so tough that I don't know. Next time I do it, or if I do it again, I wouldn't do it again. I probably would pay somebody to do it. But there's a very, right there at the top, it's a little hole. Like, you got to try to shift it and turn it inside of there. So when I get it in there, then you got to turn and twist it to get it in there. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Now the headlights I showed you before, they ended up selling me the wrong headlights. As you can see the return. You see for two of those bulbs, two of these bulbs, it's $209.98. You see subtract 37, that was how much it was for two of the other bulbs together. Was that. So these is the new bulbs that I had to get. The head, the back of this. And this, you had to twist it. When you reach in there, you had to twist to take it out. I'm gonna try to see if I can. Then he told me not to touch this bulb. I probably done touched it like 3 times already, but they said be very careful and not to touch it. I can feel the little lock thing. But the cord don't come out that far. So it's crazy, I don't know how. Okay, I guess I'll just put it in like this. Very carefully. Sit this right here. Man, what's up, y'all? It's Mr. Camaro. I'm back with another one.